In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate slides in Canva. This is a quick, reliable way to keep your formatting consistent and save time when you're building presentations, social posts, or any multi-page design. Duplicating a slide lets you keep the layout, fonts, and colors you've already set up, so you only need to tweak the content, not rebuild the structure from scratch. Start by opening your Canva project. Once your design is on the screen, look toward the bottom of the editor. You should see a row of page thumbnails, sometimes called the page film strip. Each thumbnail represents one page of your design, which many people refer to as slides. This is where you'll choose the page you want to copy. Move your mouse over the exact page you want to duplicate. As you hover over that thumbnail, you'll usually see a few subtle controls appear, indicating that the page is selected and ready for actions. Now, right-click directly on that page thumbnail to open the context menu. This menu is Canva's shortcut list for common actions, and it's the fastest route to the tool you need here. In the context menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate. Go ahead and click Duplicate. That's the whole action. As soon as you click, Canva creates an exact copy of the selected page. The duplicate typically appears immediately next to the original in that bottom panel, and it will look identical, including all text, images, placements, and styling. To confirm the copy worked, glance at the page film strip and notice the new thumbnail right beside the original. You can click into that new page to start editing its content independently. Any changes you make to the duplicate won't affect the original, which is exactly what you want when you're creating variations or extending a sequence while keeping a consistent look. If your workspace feels tight, remember that the page film strip may look compact depending on your window size. That's normal. The thumbnails will still be there along the bottom, ready for hovering and right-clicking. And if you happen to click away from the menu, just hover and right-click again to bring it back up. That's all there is to it. Open your project, find the page along the bottom, hover over it, right-click, and click Duplicate. It's simple, fast, and a great habit for building clean, consistent designs without starting from zero every time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother Canva workflow with this easy duplication technique.